Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is why I get on so good with my wife. If you just come back from work very tired, very sleepy, and then I come to the kitchen for a cup of tea, and then she says, go hang the clothes, go do the dishes. Just tell her, no, I don't have the time for that. I'm not yet fully awake. I'm in the kitchen just for a cup of tea. And then no problem, she doesn't bother. And it's always good to, express your feeling. If you don't want to do something, say you don't want to do it, and don't do it, and do what you come for the kitchen for. In this case, good, ladies and gentlemen, that's good. Come drink tea with me. She's calling. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm doing now. I have the clothes. Yeah. Even all the dishes are done too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
I will bring them here.